Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn Dallas-Rockwall. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Rockwall hotel is just off Interstate 30, next to Lake Ray Hubbard. The hotel offers a microwave, refrigerator and free Wi-Fi in every guest room. Hampton Inn Dallas-Rockwall features an outdoor swimming pool and a gym. A business center and laundry facilities are also available. Guests can also enjoy a hot breakfast every morning. Guest rooms at the Rockwall Hampton Inn are equipped with a 32-inch flat-screen TV and clock radio with MP3 connectivity. A coffee maker and work desk are also provided in each room. Downtown Dallas is only 20 minutes from the Hampton Inn Rockwall. The Dallas World Aquarium is within a 25-minute drive of the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.